PrePak Products is a trusted manufacturer supplying the physical therapy industry. Health, vitality, movement. The movement starts here. Our signature Home Ranger was developed by physical therapists for physical therapists. Its premium technology can be used daily for in-office rehabilitation sessions and in between for at-home rehab and treatment for knee and shoulder injury. PrePak's web slide exercise rail system makes setting up and exercising with resistance tubing and pulley devices quick and easy. Utilizing resistance with tubing, Exerband is a key part of many people's daily routines and has been used by physical therapists and their patients for ages. Exerband works with our web slide and can be used on any standard door. FreeUp is a professional lubricant for soft tissue mobilization and massage that moisturizes and softens the skin. FreeUp was formulated exclusively for the healthcare professional to help relieve injured, tight, and overworked muscles, which can lose their elasticity and shorten, creating muscular imbalances and restrictive movement. Rehabilitation, recovery, results. Committed to customer satisfaction. Dedicated to quality control. Tested and built to last. Products for professionals by professionals. PrePak Products. Practical, powerful, proven.